Hey guys, how's everything going? So I'm going to show you real quick how to change a cabin air filter on a Honda CRV. These are very simple. Some vehicles are quite a bit more difficult. A lot of vehicles are like this. So just take it into consideration. This could be what you have, and they're relatively simple to change. They do take a little time, but let me show you. This will take me less than 5 minutes. So first thing you do is you open a glove box like such. Then, if you look down here, this has a stopper here. Now this stopper, you force down and it releases it. Then it has these stoppers here that you have to press inward on the box itself, this way, to release them. Like such. And when you do that, everything that's in the glove box is going to fall out on the floor, just like that. So now, that's where your cabin air filter is. You release the tabs, and there it is. It's original cabin air filter. Look at that, it's already broken. Somebody must have been in here at some point. And there it comes out. It's not terrible. It is dirty, it's broken. So, okay, throw that on the floor. Here's the new one. It's a CarQuest Premium. And, whoops. All right, now if you look, these are directional. That's the airflow. So, the airflow goes down. The airflow goes down. Just remember that. On all of these, airflow is down. So, just take it, insert it, take your cover. Some of these covers, in case you forget, like, oh, this one has it, it shows up. So there is a difference up to down. And you just basically get that in place. Oops, hold on. This is not sitting correctly. Okay. So, I'm gonna just, that's it. Snaps in place just like that. So then, put the glove box back up in place. And if you notice, it has these little ramps to these stops here. So, as you put it up, they'll actually move. So, click, they locked into place. And you come over here to this stop. This is that thing that makes it drop slowly. And inside this little door here, this little opening, there's actually a catch for that notch right there. You push this down in place and like that, snap in place. Take all your junk, put it back in the glove box. I did that through the magic of editing. And you're done. Now on Nissans, I don't like to do Nissans, and the reason I don't like to do that is because they, for some reason, decide to stuff the cabin air filter all the way up inside there, where you see that little rectangular edge all the way up underneath there. That's where they put it, and it's an absolute nightmare to change. Every Nissan I've ever done has been like that, so I prefer not to do that. Anyway, that's about it. Quick and easy. If you get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. If you want to join our group called Backyard Mechanics on Facebook, go right ahead. Make sure you answer all the questions. Our admins they do an awesome job of screening out people that shouldn't be there. If you answer all the questions, we're going to check out your profile. So that's about it for today. I hope you guys have a great day and keep wrenching.